Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video, and today we are testing out the new Benefit Boi-ing Concealer. I got two colors, 1 and 2, so that I could put it in, one's lighter and one's darker. Well, it's not very dark, but anyways. And this is what they have to say on the website about today's product. It says, Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless Concealer is multi-purpose, full coverage liquid concealer that hides it all. From dark under eye circles to blemishes and discoloration, yet it feels lightweight and doesn't cake, crack, or settle into fine lines. The formula includes algae-derived ingredients known for soothing the look of skin and specifically coated pigments that leave a natural finish that doesn't flake or crease. The cushion tip applies the long-wearing and waterproof formula, evenly blendable, full coverage. It is full coverage, 24-hour long wear, waterproof, and waterproof. That's it. That's what it says. And it retails for $22. That's how much each of these, $22 each. So, if you're interested in knowing how this did in our all-day wear test and how I applied it, stay tuned. So, let's get started. I'm going to start off with the number 1 and put it closest in on the purple part right here. I'm just going to open them both first. And then I'm going to take this one and put it out here and maybe close to the eye where I don't want to put the lighter color. And then I would use the number 2 also on any blemishes like this big red spot right there, which I usually don't even put anything on. So this is the lighter one. And I'm going to put that on my lid too, because my lids are purple. Because the skin has gotten so thin in my old age. And I'm going to put some of this around my nose and up my nose because I want my highlight to be light, except that I don't have enough on here. There we go. And then I'm going to go in with the darker shade and just go out here and down a little bit. And then go in with my sponge and blend it all in. And let's just see if it is all it claims to be. Oops. Well, it seems to be covering pretty well. And it definitely gives you a lot more time to work with it than the Shape Tape or some of the other ones do. But you definitely still want to work with it. Make sure it's all blended out before you move on to the next place. I would say also it is kind of, well, give me a minute here and I'll decide that. I thought it was starting to dry too fast, but now it seems like it's moving just fine, so maybe not. I like to bring it all the way up the side of my nose too. And kind of almost inside my nose. I like it. It looks good. But I think it's going to look even better once I powder it. So let's go in with our contour. Which is hiding. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury contour. And I think I'm going to take this. Just spread that out a little bit. And then put it with my sponge. I only use the brush just to make sure the circles that I make with this wand are gone. And then I'm going to go just with what's on my brush, on my jawline. And then I'm going to do my nose. Okay, now I'm going to go back in and make sure the lines are all out of this Boi-ing. And we're going to go in and powder with my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores, my absolute favorite powder. I don't know if it was my favorite when I got it, but it's my favorite now. I don't remember it being my favorite. And I don't know why, because it's amazing. I need to watch for it to be on sale. Stock up. So if you guys see it on sale somewhere, let me know. I have to put the lid on this. Oh, here it is. Alright, let's go in with our powder. And this is just, this powder, just don't breathe. If you get it and use it, don't breathe. It is so finely milled, which is, I'm sure, why it does such a great job of hiding, camouflaging the wrinkles. And the pores. Totally hides the pores too. Now it doesn't hide this wrinkle, but you know, it'd take more than a powder to hide that guy. But it definitely camouflages him a little. Almost forgot to do this eye. I love that stuff. So now I'm going to take my powder brush, and this is the Sigma F30. Yes, the Sigma F30. And it's so soft. I used to love my Walmart brush. This is the Royal and Langnickel Powder 100. I still love it, but this one is softer. Just a little bit though. Just barely. And I just kind of like the long handle. I don't know why. Anyway. Okay, I am going to go off camera, finish my makeup, and I'll be back to do some check-ins. See how this really lasts. Right now it looks fantastic. So, we shall see. Okay guys, I am back, and this is our look of the day. And I have to tell you, I'm loving it. Right now, it looks amazing. So, I will wear this all day. And if you're interested in this eye look, stay tuned to Wednesday. I'll wear this all day and come back at the end of the day and let you know how it did after I wore it all day. So, I'll be back. Hey guys, I am back. It is the end of the day and I am so tired. As far as our product, and our product is these Boi-ing highlighter or concealers, and they look like they're in a pencil. That's what it looks like, a pencil. It's amazing. It looks just as good now as it did when I put it on hours and hours ago. I love it. It looks really good. Really, really good. So it's definitely getting a thumbs up for my hot flash and wrinkles, because I certainly have plenty of wrinkles around my eyes and it is not sinking into any. And I've had plenty of hot flashes because I always do. And it's done really well. Because I put it, where did I put it? I put it around my nose. And I put it under my eyes and down my nose. And on my chin. I think it's off my chin. I don't know. Maybe not. Because I haven't eaten anything. Because today's a fasting day, so no food. But it looks really good. I didn't put it up here. I never put it up here anymore because it always seems to break up there on me. So now I just put it down my nose, under my eyes, and then I just put powder up here, and it does really well. How's my eyeshadow doing? Oh, it's gorgeous still. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Make sure you share this on all your social media. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!